Hey guys, what's up? It's Kelvin once again. So I played something in this song. I will magnify the Lord because the Lord reigneth, blessed be the Lord. Yeah, so I just feel like showing you guys. It's very simple. Um, it's a normal chromatic movement. It's just a spice I just added to it. So yeah. So this is the key of C. So this is what I just played. It's a normal chromatic movement. So added as a chord. So let me play it again. So the thing is, started on my D to the saw, you get it as a chord, the saw, then re Z as a chord again, you get it, then re la or mo la, anyone, then mi to. So I just play it just to get it. So let me play it. You get it right. So that is a again. So don't play slow. So just try it out and just let me hear your review. Thank you.